Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You're starting with essentials. Make sure the Astro A50 base and wireless adapter have at least 50% charge, and your PS5 is on. First, connect the base to the PS5 using the provided USB-C to USB-A cable. The base needs a direct USB connection to register. Once done, power on the PS5, then press the base power button. You'll see LEDs. These indicate both power and pairing status, so verify a steady light before moving on. Now you'll pair the PS5 wireless adapter to the A50 system. Plug the adapter into a free PS5 USB port and wait 5 to 10 seconds for initial recognition. Next, put the A50 headset into pairing mode using the base's pairing button. Press and hold until the LED flashes rapidly. Make sure the adapter's LED goes from flashing to solid green. That means pairing succeeded. If one device lags, retry the sequence precisely. Timing matters for the handshake. Finish by configuring PS5 audio. Go to Settings, Sound, and set output device to the USB headset labeled Astro A50 so game and chat route correctly. Then, make sure firmware is current by using the Astro Command Center on PC or Mac. Updates fix latency and mic issues. If you encounter no audio, replug the adapter, restart the PS5, and, if needed, reset the base by holding the pairing button for 10 seconds. That clears pairing faults and often resolves stubborn connections.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.